looking to wash your teddy bears and your other stuffed animals and have them come out fluffy like they were when they were new, use a pillowcase. I have this old pillowcase that I use just for washing things, but you can use any pillowcase and it doesn't have to be white. So you take and tie knots in it after you put your plush animal in there. You tie knots in it. And you can use, like I said, any color pillowcase as long as it's been laundered before, so the color of the pillowcase will not run if it's not white. And you tie the knots in it, and you drop it in your wash, and you can wash it with other laundry or by itself. And then when you take it out, it will be fluffy and not all matted down. It'll be just like new, nice and fluffy. Use a pillowcase.